Oh, hey, welcome to my second mechanical project based on carpentry shop. This following video shows the construction of a miniature dream house. The various tools and equipment used are this panel saw, this firmer chisel, this jack plane, a pin hammer, a file, sandpaper, glass, cutter, scale, pencil, resin glue, and some screw and pins. The first step is the creation of a blueprint of my model house, which I will do by engineering drawing method. I have chosen front view and side view as the two primary views to represent the blueprint of my model. This region here depicts my base part. The blank regions depict wood use, whereas the shaded regions depict plywood use. These are the wood pieces that I have in my house. This blue wood over here will act as my base material. These two are plywoods. Now I will carry the blue one to my workstation. This chisel and hammer to remove this extra wood chip. Almost done. Marking the base part to be cut out from this wood. It would be 36 by 26.5. Now this is 36 and I will mark 26.5 using the scale. Marking both sides. I will another saw to cut this. This is my final piece. It's time for creation of the patterns. I will make the partitions according to this figure. Part 2 and part 3 will be removed completely. This is the plywood that I have cut from this sheet. It should be sufficient for my. Now I am at my workplace and now I will have to cut this into three pieces. The side two walls and the back wall. I have cut this plywood in accordance to the size of the base so that I can easily remove it. I will take the height 15 cm according to my blueprint and then I will cut it, and then I will take 15 cm according to the length of these two sides, and then I will have my back walls ready. Now it is ready. It goes like this. Fits perfectly fine. Plywood sides are ready. I will just show you how to put them. This is the back side. The right side is equal to the back side, whereas the left side is greater. This will be shown later how and why. So this is what it looks like with the sides on. The left side has some designs remaining which will be done after the front side has been designed. So now the front side will be made out of this. The front side has a couple of designs as seen in this figure. This is the left side also. This also has some designs. The front view, however, has more designs like this. I have to cut the wood here from here. This is the wood. It goes like this, and then comes back, just like in the figure. Now let me do the designing of this part. The dimensions have been written here and here, both sides. Designing this one so that I can cut them together and no need to make separate videos. It is now finally time to join all the pieces. First of all, I will apply glue to this one. I will also hammer a pin. Now it is time for the final part, front piece. Now I will do the primary finishing process, that is the leveling of these, the filling of the holes like these with polish, and it is also known as peeli mitti in Hindi. I will have to add some water. I am mixing it now. Now it is done. I have this blade. It is now done. These are all the views, everywhere it is completed. This is used for removing the irregularities that we have in the wood. Also, I have applied it to two other parts that will be used for later. These are the balcony, as you can see in this blueprint. The balcony, it will come here. So I will wait for it to dry and then I will start it again. Now, from the blueprint, I have to make this wooden design. I will use this wood for it. It goes like this perfectly. But since I have to use Sunmica here, shaded region is Sunmica, I will have to provide a support. Let's take this and I will join this at this point. Now I will join this part of my rod with the base mainframe to provide extraction. Now I will join this part with my mainframe. These are all Sunmicas that were here in the house storage, so it can be that it is best out of waste. Now I'm marking it. The dimensions I have, I will measure it and then do it, but I have remembered one of the dimensions. This is a Sunmica cutter. This is the blade. It's perfect. Now that my workpiece has dried, I will remove the extra polish from with the sandpaper. I need to rub it just lightly. All the extra sand has been removed. Now I will apply Fevicol to stick the mica. Now I paste the mica onto my workpiece. Similarly, I have done the Sunmica part except for the door. These two pieces are the door. Now I will do the balcony part. These two join together. This is the base. This goes with the height of the door. Now it is almost completed. This is support so that it does not fall down right now. The next step is the finishing part, which involves coloring. This is my color and paintbrush. It's time to paint. So now my paint has dried and the final product is ready.